In this video I will tell you how to fix my Rogers a black screen problem. So that's easy and simple, so please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on my Rogers app and then tap on app info option. After that, tap on storage usage option and now tap on clear cache as well as tap on clear data and then tap on OK. Now the cache and data has been cleared from the settings, so close the setting app, and the next step is go to Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPad, and then tap on search option in the bottom right corner, then tap on search bar on the top and here type Myrogers and now tap on OK. So here you should have to update the app to the latest version. So here you will see the update button option. Simply tap on this. This will fix the issue for you. So hope this video will help you. Thanks.